Hook, ever had a financial emergency and needed money fast? You're not alone. Many of us have faced situations where instant access to funds is crucial. Today, we're diving into a question that many people have. Does Ally Bank offer instant transfers? Let's find out. Building context. Understanding instant transfers. Before we get into Ally Bank, let's clarify what instant transfers are. Essentially, these are electronic transactions that happen in real time or very close to it. This means your money is immediately available in your receiving account. The importance of instant transfers. Why are instant transfers so important? In today's fast-paced world, having immediate access to your funds can be a lifesaver. Whether it's a medical emergency, a car breakdown, or simply a last-minute purchase, instant transfers can be a game-changer. Ally Bank, a brief overview. Who is Ally Bank? Ally Bank is a popular online bank known for its high-interest savings accounts and other competitive financial products. It's a subsidiary of Ally Financial, a major automotive finance company. Ally Bank's reputation. Ally Bank has a strong reputation for customer satisfaction and innovative offerings. Many people choose Ally Bank for its convenience, competitive rates, and lack of fees. Does Ally Bank offer instant transfers? The short answer, yes, Ally Bank does offer instant transfers. However, there are a few conditions and limitations. Instant transfers and ACH. Ally Bank uses the Automated Clearing House, ACH, network for instant transfers. ACH is a nationwide electronic funds transfer system. Conditions for instant transfers. To qualify for instant transfers, you typically need to have a funded Ally Bank account for a certain period. Additionally, the receiving account must also be on the ACH network. Timeframes. While Ally Bank aims for instant transfers, there may be occasional delays due to factors beyond their control. However, in most cases, the funds should be available within a few minutes. Comparing Ally Bank to traditional banks. Instant transfers at traditional banks. Many traditional banks also offer instant transfers, but the availability and speed can vary. Some banks may charge fees for instant transfers, while others may have specific requirements. Ally Bank versus traditional banks. Ally Bank's instant transfer service often compares favorably to traditional banks in terms of speed, convenience, and fees. Factors to consider. When choosing a bank for instant transfers, consider factors such as the bank's reputation, fees, customer service, and the availability of other features. Additional considerations. Mobile apps and online banking. Ally Bank's mobile app and online banking platform make it easy to initiate and track instant transfers. Customer service. If you have any questions or encounter issues with instant transfers, Ally Bank's customer service team can assist you. Security. Ally Bank prioritizes security and uses advanced measures to protect your funds and personal information. Conclusion. Recap. In conclusion, Ally Bank does offer instant transfers, making it a convenient option for those who need quick access to their funds. However, there are specific conditions and limitations to be aware of. Final thoughts. If you're looking for a bank that offers instant transfers and other competitive features, Ally Bank is definitely worth considering. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about Ally Bank or opening an account, visit their website or contact their customer service. End. Sharp ending. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.